अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे और एज यूजुअल आज आपके सामने एक बार फिर आज मैं एक नया प्रोग्राम लॉन्च करने जा रहा हूँ। अमूमन हम जो टीचर्स हैं वो ट्रेनिंग जो है वो बच्चों को हम देते हैं। ट्रेनिंग का मतलब ये है कि हम बच्चों को क्लास में बताते हैं कि उन्हें कैसे काम करना है, होमवर्क कैसे करना है, बात कैसे करनी है, उनका अंदाज क्या होगा बैठने का, या टीचर एज मैनेजर के तौर पर सामने आता है कि चीज़ों को मैनेज कैसे किया जाता है। लेकिन आज मैं एक नई टर्म यूज कर रहा हूँ टीचर्स के लिए, टीचर एज अ कोच। मैं समझता हूँ कि टीचर को एज अ कोच होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो कोच होता है वो अपनी टीम को हर हाल में जिताने की कोशिश करता है। वो सब खिलाड़ियों को साथ लेके चलता है। वो कोई भी ऐसा खिलाड़ी हो जो उसकी परफॉर्मेंस को बेहतर से बेहतर करने की कोशिश करता है, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि टीचर को एज अ कोच रोल प्ले करना चाहिए। इसलिए मैं कुछ आपके लिए लेक्चर्स लेके आया हूँ और आज का जो पहला लेक्चर है वो है चेंज योर थॉट्स एंड चेंज योर वर्ल्ड। आप अपने जहन को तब्दील करें तो आपकी दुनिया बदल जाएगी। तो इसी गहराई में मैं आज ये टॉपिक आपके सामने पेश करूंगा और साथ साथ मैं आपको उर्दू में भी इसको समझाऊंगा ताकि आप इसको ज्यादा बेहतर तरीके से समझ सकें। Change your thought and change your world. Norman Vincent Paul. Negative thinking is like a giant wall. It closes you and keeps you from accomplishing goals, blocks you from moving forward in life. Whether it be learning, growing, or obtaining happiness. In the same way, negative thinking can hold a student back from his or true potential energy. What one way to stop this from happening? By encouraging a positive attitude. Parents can play a huge role in teaching their children how to think positive. In turn, those same parents can have the front row seat to witness the amazing transformation that happens when the students simply begin to believe in themselves. Practical tips to inspire optimism. We know from a fact that positive thinking has many physical, mental, and emotional health benefits. Consider these strategies to inspire a positive attitude and teach your virtuals with school how to think positive this and beyond. The first we look, be an example, model a positive, encouraging attitude in all that you say. Do and believe optimism is contagious. Positive thinking tends to breed positive results, and if your child sees positive result from your attitude, he and she is more likely to want to experience the same positive results. Show how positivism creates an idealism, an ideal environment for the happiness, and how the positive influences the success rate of your goal you may have. Some things and sometimes saying is believing, and there is no better model to show it than you. And the second we see, create a positive learning space for your students. What better way to inspire optimism than ensuring that hopelessness is all around? As you create a home classroom, bulletin, board, planner, or decorate your child home, workshops, and workplace, paper in some positive quotes to keep motivation high. Here is an A to Z list of the positive quotes you can use or print some of these optimism quotes for students or interest. Another fun idea is to try this crafting activity. I will send you some websites and you can search. That turns positive quotes into the kitchen fridge magnets. A positive environment can do wonders for eliminating negatively and encouraging healthy thoughts as your students tackle new learning challenges and opportunities. Number third, help your students visualize a positive outcome from every scenario before starting. It's important to regularly plan goals with your students, and when doing so, clearly set the stage for what success looks like. How will it feel to accomplish the goal? What will be the reward be? What does it mean to be a successful? And how does it matter? Answering all of these questions can get your students excited about working toward the goal and will remind him or her of the positive outcomes to look forward to. And the number four, eliminate negative long-windedness from your students' dialogue. When you hear your students say, "I can't do it," take a step back. Bring this negative wilderness to your child's attention. Dive deeper into the meaning behind it. Ask question, why can't you do it? What's holding you back? How can I help? What do you need to be able to do it? From there, lot out a plan to remove those barriers. Show your child that you are in this together, and together you can come up with a plan to turn I cannot into we can. We can. We can. Number five, that's very, very important. Have your students change negative thinking patterns. As you bring negative words and thoughts to the attention of your students, make sure you are encouraging him and her to replace them negatively with positively. This popular method is a form of cognitive behavioral therapy. Yes, it is called cognitive behavioral therapy, which is designed to change people's thinking and behavioral patterns that are linked to certain difficulties. In this case, the concept is simple. When you have the negative thought and reaction, notice it and replace it with a positive one. The more this occurs, the more positive your students' thought, words and action will be. Number six, very important. Play the role of your students' biggest fun or fan. As a parents or learning coach, yes, as a coach, as a learning coach, your influence make a big difference. Yes, a big difference in your students' level of self-confidence. Your belief in your students can help him and her learn this sense of confidence and self-acceptance. Consider trying some of these self-acceptance activities to make your child aware of his and her unique strengths and weaknesses. In turn, your students can begin thinking positively, developing self-esteem and celebrating his and her identity. Yes, the last is the result of this lecture. So be attentive. Incorporate a reward system to encourage positively at all times. It's not unusual for children to lack motivation to be positive, especially when dealing with the defeat, a sense of a failure. How can you teach them to improve their behavior during those negatively drenched times? The answer may be reward system that provide the positive enhancement. For optimism, follow these steps to implement a reward system for your students. In the end of my lecture, I will say in Urdu, so that you can understand what I am saying in this lecture. अगर आपने अपने स्टूडेंट का ज़हन मुस्बत करना है तो सबसे पहले आप अपना ज़हन मुस्बत करें। वो तमाम खुसूसियात जो आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स में देखना चाहते हैं वो पहले आप अपने अंदर पैदा करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू।